Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, regular Rams, and now we buy a Ram. Just wanted to show you the newest truck on our lot. It's a 2022 Ram 3500, so let's take a peek. So under the hood you are going to have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is completely color matched. Color mesh bumper, you got some tow hooks, park sensors, LED headlights on this one, and some fog lights. Coming down the side, it does have a 4-inch BDS lift with 37s, 20-inch rims, bushwhacker flares, and of course trigger kickbacks. Tow mirrors, they do flip out if you want them to, and then they have keyless entry on either side. It is a crew cab with the 6'4" box, and again, color match bumper in the rear, hitch receiver and wiring, 2 cameras, and a soft drop tailgate. You're also going to have 5th wheel prep and all your plugins for it, but other than that, we're going to hop into the truck and check it out. So inside the truck, it is fully loaded. You do have full leather seats in this one. These are heated and cooled, of course. Down below, rubber floor mats right from factory. They snap into place so they don't slide all over. Dual glove box, so you got the one up top here and the locking one down below with the manual. 12-inch screen with the Harman Kardon sound system, and of course Uconnect 5, so that's new. It's just kind of how it's set up. It's a little different. You're going to have shortcuts up top. You can set the screen however you want. You can have different drivers in there, so you can have like driver 1, 2, 3, whatever. It'll automatically save exactly how you had it set up. So it makes it really easy when there's numerous people driving the truck. Also, you're going to have Sirius XM, nav, all that good stuff. We need fuel, so it'll tell you that, and then you just click yeah, and it'll take you to a gas station. You're going to have all your apps right here. You can just filter through them. Save all your favorites down below here. Set it up however you want. Auxiliary switches, trailer brake controller. This center console does move back. You're going to have a wireless charger, a whole bunch of plugins, another 115 volt down below, 4-wheel drive, a whole bunch of storage all throughout. And as you can tell, the truck's in high idle. But other than that, we're going to hop into the back seat and check that out. So in the back seat, it's crew cab, whole bunch of room for your passengers. Again, rubber floor mats from factory, they snap in, they're not going to go anywhere. Extra cup holders with a little slot for a tablet, vents in the back, heated rear seats, and the same plugins in the back as there is up front. Storage in behind this seat, and then I'll just step on the power board. You're going to have cup holders there and more down below there. You can, of course, flip these up, and then if I undo the snaps somehow, storage on this side, you're going to have a sub on that side, and of course underneath these floor mats you're going to have in-floor storage as well. Right up top here, down. Right up top, you're going to have a rear sliding window, and of course that's all heated. But other than that, if you want to make this truck yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.
I'm Rick Grady Pam, and I approve this message.